The budget proposal extending the export period for repaired goods from 6 months to 1 year, along with increasing the reimport period for warranty repairs from 3 to 5 years and standardizing GST on aircraft parts at 5%, will significantly benefit the MRO sector. Safran, a French aerospace company, plans to establish a $150 million maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility in Hyderabad, expected to open in 2025. This facility will service CFM engines for Airbus A320 Neo aircraft. Safran joint venture with Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd in Goa will handle military helicopter engine MRO. These changes are set to enhance India's MRO capabilities and attract other global players, such as Magellan, which is partnering with Airbus to develop an MRO facility in Karnataka.